The Evenflo Pivot is a stylish travel system with 3 reversible modes. It features a large, 3-panel canopy providing full coverage canopy. Cruiser tires and ergonomic handle offer a smooth ride and effortless handling. The included SafeMax Infant Car Seat features an anti-rebound bar, limiting the amount of rebound movement experienced in a frontal impact. It has been designed and tested for structural integrity at energy levels approximately 2 the federal crash test standard, and tested to simulate a side impact event and rollover event, which is really important because, as any auto accident attorney will tell you, kids are particularly vulnerable in the case of a crash. So the more you know, the better you can protect your kids. Like other strollers, Evenflo Pivot has the option to attach the fan the same way that you would use in the car seat. Sky Genius, Bright Genius. All of these are the best stroller fans for babies available on the market to make your kiddo cool and comfortable during summertime. Safety, style, and function. Safety, style, and function. You will receive all this and more with the Pivot Modular Stroller Travel System by Evenflo. This 3-in-1 stroller solution offers a versatile design that grows with your child. Infant mode offers both car seat carrier and carriage function. As your child grows, the Pivot's usefulness evolves to accommodate both forward and rear-facing seated positioning. The Pivot Modular Travel System includes the Evenflo SafeMax Infant Car Seat, designed and tested for structural integrity at energy levels approximately 2 the federal crash test standard, and tested to simulate a side impact event and rollover event. The SafeMax Infant Car Seat also features an anti-rebound bar that limits the amount of rebound movement experienced in the event of a frontal impact. The structure and design of children's car seats have become sophisticated and standard with the passage of time. Discover the history of the car seat here. Additionally, it is the best beach stroller. As a mom, I can finally enjoy the beach without worrying if my baby will be comfortable in the stroller. I also appreciate how easily it folds and stores. I always tell new moms that their most important purchases is their car seat and stroller. You want a safe, trustworthy car seat that is #1. Throughout their lives, kiddos spend quite a bit of time in the car, and there is absolutely nothing more important than their safety. A stroller is also a very crucial purchase because it will get used so many times, in so many places, and needs the right functions for your kids and your family. If you make these purchases correctly, you'll avoid the hassle and cost of purchasing these items again down the road, which inevitably scares said new moms because it makes the decision a bit overwhelming. What if you make the wrong one? So trust this seasoned mom when I say that I am in love with my new Evenflo Pivot travel system. I truly believe it is a great choice for families, especially those first-timers. The stroller is phenomenal. I truly cannot say enough about it. First and foremost, this travel system is super affordable, which this mama appreciates a lot, especially when my first 2 were little. We had to make every dollar count. I always wanted a stroller that had a lay-flat carriage, but that feature only seemed to come in the top-of-the-line strollers that were way out of our price range. I just love that Evenflo has brought this function into a stroller that truly feels top of the line, without the huge price tag. The seat is so multifunctional, I'm obsessed. It goes from carriage mode to toddler seat by a very small pull of a lever. Come on! Tell me that's not amazing. There is a buckle under the seat and helps it become a seat when it is in its upright position. I just love the ability to let a baby lay flat and get comfy. I also love that you can easily flip the seat to face out or face in. I have never had a face-in stroller before. Again, because it used to come with such a huge price tag. The Evenflo Pivot does just this, and it is seriously as easy as a few clicks. There are benefits to both facing out and facing in, and with one stroller you can have them both. Another thing I adore, the Canopy, the double stroller that we purchased when my second was born, for no small fee. I might added many great functions, but the canopies were not what they need. Being in Texas at the time, this was a huge problem that I was always having to improvise on. The Evenflo Pivot's canopy is large and covers baby completely, so there are no worries at all. And now that we live in Minnesota, I just love the foot muff it comes with for walks in chillier weather. Okay. Another important quality of any stroller is the storage capacity. Kids come with crap. Am I right? Puny little storage baskets are fine in a jogging or walking stroller. But if you plan to take your kids out into the world, you're going to need space to put all the stuff. Not only is the storage basket large, but it is easy to use because the seat is high enough that there is enough room to actually put your hands in and out. Last but certainly not least is the maneuverability of the stroller itself. If the stroller doesn't move easily and well, it is guaranteed to frustrate you. Strollers need to get through tight spaces, turn around, and go in the direction you've actually steered it to. The Evenflo Pivot is TOP not CH in this area. I promise, it moves like a dream. 2 thumbs up. The features are some of my favorites in a stroller, and all for a price that won't break the bank. Be sure to check out their website for more info and get yourself one of these awesome travel systems today. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.